Hi students, today we are going to see the guaranteed profit to partner. Few subscribers commented me to explain and work out this problem. So I have to work out and explain this problem with regard to guaranteed profit to a partner, a specific ratio. You see the problem. Tom and Dom share profit in the ratio of 3:2. From 1st January 1999, Com is admitted for 1/10 share of profit subject to a minimum of rupees 15,000. That is guaranteed profit given to a new partner amounted to rupees 15,000. Dom and Dom agreed to the excess payable to Com in the ratio of 4:1. The profit for the year is rupees 1 lakh. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Before that, I am going to explain in brief. Tom and Dom are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. That is 3/5 and 2/5. On 1st January 1999, Com is admitted into the partnership firm for 1/10 share, giving assurance 15,000 rupees profit. Here, if any deficit arises due to new partner, it will be shared by the existing partner, that is Tom and Dom, in the ratio of 4:1. Here the profit for the year earned by the firm is given, that is rupees 1 lakh rupees. From this available information, we are going to prepare profit and loss appropriation accounts. Anyhow, before that, we have to calculate new ratio. Then we have to distribute the profit earned by our firm. Then that profit, it is equivalent to guaranteed profit or below than the guaranteed profit, we have to see. After that, we are going to apply the specific ratio, how the shortage or deficiency due to a new partner will be shared by the existing partner Tom and Dom. In case the specific ratio, it is not given in your problem, this deficiency due to new partner will share by existing partner in their old ratio. That is the real concept. Now we have to find or we have to work out the new ratio for Tom, Dom and Com. You see here calculation. Old ratio of Dom and Dom 3:2. That is 3/5 and 2/5. Now Com is admitted for 1/10 share. Now 1/10 share is given to Com. Now we have to calculate the remaining share of the firm. The remaining share of the firm is firm's share, it is of 1 minus Com's shares. Com's share, that is of 1/10. Now the remaining share equal to 1 minus 1/10. Now you have cross multiplication. 10 into 1, 10 minus 1/10. That is equal to 9/10. That is the remaining share of the firm. The 9/10 remaining share of the firm has to shared by old partners, that is Dom and Dom, in their old ratio, that is 3:2. That is for Tom 3/5 and for Dom 2/5. Now it is equal to, for Dom's new share equal to remaining share into his old share. 9/10 remaining share of the firm into his share was in the remaining share 3 by 5. That is equal to 27 divided by 50. That is 3 nines are 27, 5 tens are 50. That is the new share of Dom. Then Dom equal to the remaining share of the firm was 9 by 10 into his share was 2 by 5. That is equal to 2 into 9, 18 divided by 5 into 10, 50. That is the new share of Dom, 18 by 50. Now make it Com's new share with the base of 50. That is equal to, now the 10 is multiplied with the 5. Then only it become 50. Now if the 5 is multiplied with here, the same 5 multiplied with the numerator also. That is 5 into 1, 5. Now the new ratio of Dom and Com was 27 by 50, 18 by 50 and 5 by 50. That is new ratio 27 is to 18 is to 5. That is the new ratio of Dom and Com. Now we have to share. They have to share the profit earned by the firm. The profit earned by the firm for the current year, that is 1 lakh rupees. This 1 lakh rupees shared among the partners in their new ratio 27 is to 18 is to 5. Now we got to share it. These total profits earned by the firm 1 lakh rupees. That is 1 lakh into his ratio was 27 by 50. That is equal to 54,000 rupees for Dom. Here for Dom, that is also into his share was 18 by 50. That is equal to 36,000 rupees. For Com, his ratio was 5 by 50. Here 10,000 rupees. This is the distribution of profit earned by the firm during the year 1999. Now we have to see Com's admitted for the assurance of a minimum amount of 15,000 rupees per year. But he see here his share of profit earned in the firm only in 10,000 rupees. So there is a deficiency with regard to Com. That is assured amount minus his share of profit, that is 10,000 rupees. Now the shortage is 5,000 rupees. This 5,000 rupees deficiency due to new partner, it is shared by existing partner, that is Tom and Dom, in the specific ratio given in your problem 4:1. That is this 5,000 rupees shared by Tom and Dom 4:1. That is 4 by 5 for Tom and 1 by 5 for Dom. Here 5,000 into 4 by 5, that is equal to 4,000. It is bared by Tom. Then 5,000 into 1 by 5, that is 1,000 rupees fared by Dom. This is the profit distribution and deficiency with regard to old partners Tom and Dom. Next, how this will be treated in the profit and loss appropriation accounts. Then we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation accounts. Now the profit and loss appropriation account it should be credited with the net profit as shown in the profit and loss account of the firm. It is transferred to profit and loss appropriation account credit side. So by net profit B by D brought down 1 lakh rupees. Now this 1 lakh rupees has to be distributed among the partners Tom, Dom and Com in their near ratio, that is 27 by 50, 18 by 50 and 5 by 50, that is of 54,000 to Dom, 36,000 rupees to Dom and 10,000 rupees to Com. With regard to this problem, there is a guarantee given by existing partner Tom and Dom in the ratio of 4:1. How it will be treated or adjusted in your profit and loss appropriation account? We have to see. That is, this amount, first we have to debit the profit and loss appropriation account, that is to Tom's capital account. His share of profit was 54,000 rupees as we have already calculated. Then this is subject to bear the deficiency due to new partner, because the guaranteed amount given by existing partner at the time of admitting the Com, any deficiency will arise. It is compensated by, that is Tom and Dom in their 4:1 specific ratio. So Tom's share of profit was 54,000. His deficiency due to Com, that is 4,000 rupees. We have to deduct, that is his capital account should be credited 50,000 rupees, profit and loss appropriation account debited with the 50,000 rupees. Next, Dom's capital account, that is 36,000 rupees, his share of profit. The deficiency has to meet by Dom with regard to new partner, that is 1,000 rupees. So less deficiency due to Com. Here the net amount credited to Dom's capital account was 35,000 rupees. Now we have to prepare to Com's capital account. His share of profit from the firm was 10,000 rupees, but the minimum amount has to give to Com's, that is 15,000 rupees. There is a deficit. The deficit received from Dom 4,000 rupees, Dom 1,000 rupees. So here add received deficiency from Dom 4,000 rupees, from Dom 1,000 rupees. Now we have to add it, that is 15,000 rupees. Put it total 1 lakh rupees. Here also 1 lakh rupees. Now that is the treatment of or preparation of profit and loss appropriation account with regard to guaranteed profit